Hello everyone, here we will continue with exercise 17a of the chapter Circles. We were doing the questions based on chord properties in which the perpendicular from the center was bisecting the chord. We have already did till question number 7 in our previous video. Now let's do question number 8. Now here in question number 8 we have this figure in which CD is a chord and this AB is a diameter in which OA equals to OB is being given to us as 15 centimeter. OP we have been given as 9 centimeter and it has been given that this chord CD is bisected from the point P. This means CP equals to DP. Now we have to find the length CD, AD that is this one, and also the CB that is this one. So very first of all we see that we are having this OA equals to 15 and this OB equals to 15. Now as OA and OB is 15, this means the radius of this circle is 15 centimeter and hence we can join this one and this OC will also be of 15 centimeter. So here we are having 15 centimeter and it has been given that this is equals to this one and this happens only when the center is perpendicular to the chord. Therefore, this is a right angle triangle and we can apply Pythagoras theorem to find the value of CP. So here angle OPC is equals to 90 degree as line joining the center to the midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Now in triangle OPC, by Pythagoras theorem we get OC square equals to CP square plus OP square. And on placing the value we get 15 square equals to CP we have to calculate. So CP square plus OP we are having 9 square and therefore the CP square equals to 15 square minus 9 square, that is 225 minus 81, which will be equals to 144 and hence CP equals to the square root of 144, which will be 12 centimeter as the length of this half chord, and then the CD will be twice of the CP as this chord is bisected from this point P. So here CD equals to twice of CP as chord is bisected at point P by AB, and then this will be equals to 2 into CP we have 12, that is equals to 24 centimeter as our first answer. Now we have to find the length of this AD. Now to get this AD, very first of all this CP we have got 12, अगर ये 12 है तो ये भी 12 होगा. Now we have been given that OA is 15, so OA we are having 15 and OP we are having 9. This means this length AP will be the sum of these two, that is 15 plus 9, and it will be 24. The 24 is AP and PD is 12. So in triangle APD, by Pythagoras theorem, AD square equals to AP square plus PD square. AD we have to calculate. AP we are having the sum of 15 and 9, that is 24 square, plus PD we have 12. So 12 square. 24 square is 576 plus 144 and this will be equals to 720, and that implies AD equals to the square root of 720, that is equals to 26.83 centimeter as answer. Now we have got the second answer as the length of AD, और अब हमें निकालना है CB के length. So CP we have already calculated, that is 12 centimeter. So this one is 12 centimeter और ये पूरी length 15 है जिसमें से ये 9, तो ये हमारे पास हो गया 6 centimeter. Now in triangle CPB, by Pythagoras theorem we get CB square equals to CP square plus PB square. CB we have to calculate, so CB square equals to CP we are given with 12 square plus PB square is 6 square, and this will be 144 plus 36 and this will be 180, and CB equals to the square root of 180, that is equals to 13.42 centimeter as answer. Now let's move to question number 9. Here we are having this figure in which this AB is diameter and there is a chord CD which is been bisected from the point E. और ये CE और ED की लेंथ हमें 8 सेंटीमीटर दी है, साथ ही हमें EB की लेंथ 4 सेंटीमीटर दी है, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ दिस रेडियस. सो लेट दिस रेडियस बी R. इस रेडियस की लेंथ को हम लोग R सपोज कर लेते हैं. तो अगर ये रेडियस R है तो यहाँ O से B तक की लेंथ भी R होगी, और अगर O से B तक R है तो O से E की लेंथ हो जाएगी R minus 4. So here we have got the length of this OE, we have been given with the length of CE, and we have to find the length of OC. Now अब यहाँ पर ये bisect हो रहा है, E is bisecting this chord, therefore this angle will be of 90 degree as the line joining from the center to the midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. So here angle OEC equals to 90 degree as the line joining the center to the midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Now we are having this triangle as a right angled triangle, and now we can apply Pythagoras theorem in the triangle OEC. So in triangle OEC by Pythagoras theorem we have CO square equals to OE square plus CE square. CO we are having R square equals to OE we are having R minus 4 to the whole square plus CE we are being given with 8 square. Now R square equals to, we are going to expand this one by using algebraic expansion. So it will be R square plus 4 square, that is 16, minus 2 into this that is 8R plus 8 square will be 64. Now we can cancel out this R square with R square and put this minus 8R on this side, and this will become 8R equals to the sum of these two, 80, and R will be equals to 80 upon 8, that is R equals to 10. So radius equals to 10 centimeter as R. Now let's do question number 10. Here in this question we have been given with this figure in which the length of this chord AB has been given to us as 24 centimeter, and there is perpendicular distance from O to A, that is of 5 centimeter, and from O to N, that is for the other chord, is of 12 centimeter. So we have to find the radius of this circle and the length of this chord. So as we know that perpendicular from the center bisects the chord, therefore this AM will be half of this AB. Therefore AM equals to half of AB as perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. And here we get 1 upon 2 into 24, that is equals to 12 centimeter. So the length of this AM is of 12 centimeter, and if we join this A to O, this will become the radius of the circle, and in triangle OMA, by Pythagoras theorem we get OA square equals to OM square plus AM square. Here OA square is to be calculated, so OA square equals to OM we are having 5 square, AM we have calculated 12 square, and it will be 25 plus 144, which will be 169, and therefore this OA equals to the square root of 169, that is equals to 13 centimeter. So radius of the circle is of 13 centimeter. Now after getting the radius of the circle as 13 centimeter, we have to find the length of this CD. So again we are going to join this C and O. So ये भी 13 centimeter का ही होगा because this is also the radius, and here this is perpendicular, this length has been given to us, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ONC. So in triangle ONC by Pythagoras theorem we get CO square equals to ON square plus CN square. CO we have been given, that is 13 square, equals to ON we have been given 12 square plus CN we have to calculate, and therefore the CN square equals to 13 square minus 12 square, and this will be 169 minus 144, and that will equals to 25, and therefore Cn equals to the square root of 25, which is equals to 5 centimeter. And now the CD will be twice of Cn as the perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. So here CD equals to twice of Cn as perpendicular from the center bisects the chord, and here we get 2 into Cn we have calculated as 5 centimeter, and that is equals to 10 centimeter as answer. That's all for this video. Thank you.